Hey there, come take a walk with me. Let's go look at some birds, birdhouses, and other species around this property. This is a mottled duck with ducklings, a very successful brood. And sitting at the top of the ficus tree that has been trimmed is an osprey, enjoying that as if it had been a perch, perfectly prepared for it, hunting fish to the left or out here on this large lake in front of us. These are white ibis. All adults, as they're all white. Juveniles are brown. Maybe you've heard their nickname called a Chokoloskee chicken if you were down in Everglades City. And this is a common gallinule. Has the black body with white tail feathers, a red mask and a yellow bill. If that was an American coot, it would have an all-white bill. Here's a real special bird. This is a juvenile little blue heron. It is morphing into adulthood as you see the grayish feathers blended with the white that it had as a juvenile. Here is a tricolored heron, grayish blue primary feathers with white undertone and has brown speckles down the throat. And that's full grown. Thanks for taking a moment to look at birds and birdhouses throughout the property. Take care.